In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your AI shout using ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a strong, convincing shouted delivery using ElevenLabs text-to-speech. And you'll understand the small tweaks that make a big difference. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Search bar, type ElevenLabs. You'll see the official site appear near the top. Click the result that points to the ElevenLabs.io domain. This ensures you're using the authentic platform with the latest models and features. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so you can access the full text-to-speech interface. Once you're on the site, find and open text-to-speech. This brings up the workspace where you'll paste your script and adjust settings. It's a straightforward interface, and everything we need is on this page. Now let's craft the prompt that cues the AI to shout. A reliable approach is to use a clear direction in brackets, like shouting, followed by your text in all caps with an exclamation mark to emphasize intensity. For example, shouting, "Get over here right now, we don't have any more time to waste." The bracketed instruction tells the model the vocal style you want. The capitalization adds urgency, and the punctuation signals force. If your first attempt sounds too flat, increase the emphasis with more capitals or a stronger bracketed cue, such as shouting angry. If it's too harsh, dial it back by using fewer caps or softening the language. Always tailor the words to the emotion and volume you're aiming for. Before generating, switch the model to V3 using the model selector. V3 is designed for more expressive delivery and tends to follow style tags like shouting more faithfully. This one change often produces a clearer, more realistic shout without sounding robotic. With the prompt ready and the model set to V3, click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process, then play it back. Listen for clarity, breath, and pacing. If the shout isn't quite hitting, iterate on your text. Try shorter, punchier sentences, add a pause with an ellipsis or dash, or adjust the bracketed direction to loud or projecting. If you want power without aggression, if it clips or distorts, reduce the intensity in your wording. That's it. You've used Google to reach ElevenLabs, opened text-to-speech, written a shout-ready prompt, selected V3, and generated the performance. Refine the text until it matches your scene, and you'll have a clean, compelling, shouted read ready for your project.